How to use DoNotPay fight traffic tickets properly. Beginner mistakes that cost you. Most people think contesting a traffic ticket with DoNotPay is as simple as a few clicks, but the surprising truth is that beginners often make mistakes that can cost time, money, and even a lost case. The first mistake is not providing accurate ticket details. DoNotPay relies on correct dates, locations, and violation codes. Entering incomplete or incorrect information can lead to automatic rejections or ineffective appeals. Always double-check your ticket before submitting. Another common error is ignoring supporting evidence. Photos, dashcam footage, or witness statements strengthen your case. Beginners who skip attaching relevant evidence often see their tickets upheld because the system can only argue based on incomplete facts. Many users also underestimate jurisdiction rules. Traffic laws vary by city and state, and DoNotPay's templates may not perfectly match local procedures. Beginners who don't verify local rules risk filing appeals that aren't accepted. Failing to submit on time is another pitfall. Traffic ticket deadlines are strict, and missing them can void your ability to contest. DoNotPay provides reminders, but beginners who delay risk forfeiting their right to fight. Finally, some users neglect follow-up. After submitting the appeal, it's important to monitor the case, respond to court notices, and attend hearings if required. Ignoring updates can lead to missed opportunities or penalties. To use DoNotPay to fight traffic tickets properly, double-check ticket details, provide supporting evidence, verify local procedures, submit on time, and monitor the case until resolution. Avoid these beginner mistakes, and you'll increase your chances of a successful dismissal or reduction of fines.